Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem. Problem is that when you're just using your iPhone and just using a YouTube and just handling some channels in your iPhone, maybe iPad, and you want to secure your account, so you have to turn auto-step verification. So how you can turn auto-step verification on YouTube in the iPhone, maybe iPad? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Before going to, I'm gonna tell the video the steps. We make sure that you just subscribe and channel and just must like the video. Just going to settings of VPN and have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After I just going to channel section and just going to software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Just doing that, simply just going to the YouTube and just going to the profile section and just see that option of Google account with the side of switch account. Just tap on that Google account and just wait, just scroll it down and just again above the scroll down of a personal info, data privacy and security, just tap on security and just scroll it down and just find two-step verification. You see that it's showing two-step verification. Simply just tap on that and just add a phone number of two-step verification. You simply just add a phone number to verify your account, and you can also add a passkey to confirm the you that it's really you or not. So it's also add two-step verification with the help of that. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.